English speaking practice. Repeat each sentence 2 times. I'm excited to learn today. I'm excited to learn today. Every day brings new opportunities. Every day brings new opportunities. I start my day with a smile. I start my day with a smile. I feel confident and strong. I feel confident and strong. I am ready for success. I am ready for success. I believe in positive thinking. I believe in positive thinking. I enjoy learning new skills. I enjoy learning new skills. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I'm drinking a cup of coffee. I'm drinking a cup of coffee. I am having breakfast now. I am having breakfast now. The food tastes delicious. The food tastes delicious. Fruits are good for my health. Fruits are good for my health. I drink plenty of water. I drink plenty of water. Healthy habits improve life. Healthy habits improve life. I take care of my health. I take care of my health. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. I am going to work. I am going to work. I enjoy my work. I enjoy my work. I work with dedication. I work with dedication. My work is important. My work is important. I complete my tasks carefully. I complete my tasks carefully. Teamwork leads to success. Teamwork leads to success. I respect my coworkers. I respect my coworkers. Communication is important at work. Communication is important at work. I always do my best. I always do my best. I enjoy traveling to new places. I enjoy traveling to new places. Traveling teaches many lessons. Traveling teaches many lessons. I like exploring different cultures. I like exploring different cultures. Every journey is an adventure. Every journey is an adventure. I love visiting beautiful places. I love visiting beautiful places. Traveling creates memories. Traveling creates memories. I enjoy meeting new people. I enjoy meeting new people. The world is full of wonders. The world is full of wonders. I enjoy discovering new things. I enjoy discovering new things. I enjoy listening to songs. I enjoy listening to songs. Music helps me relax. Music helps me relax. I enjoy watching movies. I enjoy watching movies. Movies tell interesting stories. Movies tell interesting stories. Entertainment brings joy. Entertainment brings joy. I like spending time on hobbies. I like spending time on hobbies. Hobbies make life interesting. Hobbies make life interesting. I always try to be kind. I always try to be kind. Helping others feels good. Helping others feels good. I respect everyone's feelings. I respect everyone's feelings. I speak politely to everyone. I speak politely to everyone. Respect creates harmony. Respect creates harmony. Kindness makes the world better. Kindness makes the world better. Every challenge is an opportunity. Every challenge is an opportunity. I learn from my failures. I learn from my failures. Success comes with effort. Success comes with effort. I never stop believing. I never stop believing. My future is bright. My future is bright. I am thankful for my family. I am thankful for my family. Gratitude brings peace. Gratitude brings peace. Every day is a gift. Every day is a gift. I enjoy simple pleasures. I enjoy simple pleasures. Happiness comes from gratitude. Happiness comes from gratitude. I appreciate every moment. I appreciate every moment. I choose happiness every day. I choose happiness every day. Time is valuable. Time is valuable. I use my time wisely. I use my time wisely. Planning helps me stay organized. Planning helps me stay organized. Good habits create success. Good habits create success. Consistency leads to improvement. Consistency leads to improvement. I work on my goals daily. I work on my goals daily. Small efforts bring big results. Small efforts bring big results. Success is a journey. Success is a journey. I enjoy the process of growth. I enjoy the process of growth. Thank you for learning with me. Thank you for learning with me. Your confidence is growing. Your confidence is growing. Keep practicing regularly. Keep practicing regularly. You are becoming a better speaker. You are becoming a better speaker. Never stop improving yourself. Never stop improving yourself. Keep moving toward your dreams. Keep moving toward your dreams. See you in the next English lesson. See you in the next English lesson. Goodbye, and keep practicing every day. Goodbye, and keep practicing every day.